Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by Quality Homes CostaCalida.com. Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by Quality Homes CostaCalida.com. Today we are again on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, and we are even better on La Isla, the island. And I'm just showing you the view from our apartment, which we are going to see today, which is a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment in Block 10 on the second floor on La Isla at Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. So, as you can see, the view is more than breathtaking. The weather is brilliant today. We have about 31 degrees at the moment outside. It's a little bit windy, which makes it quite comfortable. And the forecast for the coming days is going into the 40s, and it might be even 48, 49 on Monday coming week. So let's see what's going on with the weather. For the moment, it's quite nice. As I said, 31 degrees. It's a little bit breezy, so it's really great today. And I'm showing you today a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment here on Block 10 on the island. And what we see is always what we get now, happy days. I'm standing here just on this beautiful large terrace, which is covered partly by sunshade, as we see here. And it's perfectly equipped with outside furnishing, this type of plastic rattan, which is very useful and keeps quite a long time and looks really good. And this would be the view of your apartment when you're just sitting down here as I'm doing it now, showing you the views from this terrace. Wow, I could stay here. But anyway, now I need to show you this apartment, so off we go. Walking into this, it's all on one level. So I'm now walking into the living room. And as you can see, this is already fully fitted and set up for, I shouldn't say moving in, but it's ready to move in. The property is fitted with air conditioning in all rooms. As you see, it's quite nicely furnished. Easy to keep. There is a massive mirror, so we can see the agent as well. In this case, it's me, Rupert. I'm the broker here at Quality Homes CostaCalida.com. And I'm showing you today a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on La Isla at Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. What you just see is the dining area, and connected to the living room, we do have the kitchen. So just let me show you quickly how this looks like. The kitchen is fitted as well with a nice mirror, with a freezer. With the fridge. We have a cooker oven extractor fan. We do have all kind of mod cons like coffee machine, toaster, kettle, as well as a dishwasher. And just to let me show you again the views, this would be the view just from your kitchen down to the island, down to the water feature, to the park, and you even see the Alcazar Commercial Center here in the background. What is the Alcazar? Well, the Alcazar here is our commercial center where you find the Spa supermarket, you find several restaurants, like Big Cheese, who's opened again on Monday. They opened, lucky us, so there's again decent breakfast. We have a new bar, kind of new kid in town, which is a bar called Aqua. They are operated by new owners who are Spanish, and they are providing very good tapas. They are starting early in the morning and doing coffee, tapas, breakfast. So a new kid on the block, but really worthwhile checking it out. As well, we have the Clover Pub. Nothing more to say, because the Clover Pub is the Clover as it is. We have as well a hairdresser, Eden Beauty and Hair. We have a bakery, El Rincon. They're also starting very early in the morning. Most important as well, Paco Molina's furniture shop, Spa supermarket, open 7 days a week. And as well, there is an estate agency called Quality Homes CostaCalida.com. And I'm showing you today a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on La Isla. And I'm just entering the master bedroom, again with direct access to the terrace with fantastic views. Fully fitted, as we said, with air conditioning in all rooms. All air conditionings are as well working. We have fitted wardrobes in both bedrooms. And as you can see, this is nicely furnished, very tasteful, and it's ready to move in. Just to show you maybe the inside of one of these cupboards, so you know what we are talking about. So there is a chest of drawers, and obviously on top we have a storage shelf, which is mainly used for linen. There we go. This was the master bedroom. We are now coming to the second bedroom, fitted with 2 single beds, as well fitted wardrobe, and as well air conditioned, as we said, also as the other bedroom and the living room. We do see here again the fitted wardrobe. So, as we said, fully fitted and ready to move in. The bathroom, which is in the center of the two, here we go, is, as every bathroom, fitted with a bathtub, a glass shower screen, and all other bits and bobs necessary. And a big mirror, obviously good for Rupert always to be in the mirror again. I love it. Okay, so this was the bathroom. Well, we are on the island, La Isla. And as you know, the island is surrounded by a water feature, which is actually the holding deposit for the irrigation system for our golf course and for the resort, as is. The golf course is actually under maintenance, and we do see them nearly on a daily basis working over there and bringing the golf course back into shape. We expect the golf course to be open again in September, and as everybody knows, Condado de Alhama enjoys a very unique setup because it's a Jack Nicklaus signature course. There are not many signature courses in Spain, and people say that this is maybe the best golf course even in Spain, but for sure in Murcia. So let's look forward to the opening of the golf course again in September. On the terrace as well, we find the so-called outside cupboard. So let me just quickly open that to show you. In there we have the washing machine, as well as the water heater, which is here, which is as well connected to the solar support on the roof. So each property on the island has as well a solar support for hot water, which means that you will hardly need the electric boiler here, because most of the hot water is provided by the solar system on top. If there is not enough sun, which does happen not very often in our area, then the electric boiler jumps in, excuse me, but normally it's more than sufficient with the solar system. So that's quite economic and also good for the environment. Very good. Happy days here at Quality Homes Costa Calida. The views are again breathtaking. As you see, it's quite calm, tranquil. There are not many people at the pool at the moment because it's maybe a little bit warmish. It's 5 o'clock, so I'm sure that people will come back later on to the pool. Outside here, as you can see, this is quite a nice lounge setup to say. There's a good separation to the neighbor as well, so privacy is nearly guaranteed. And on the other side, as you have seen, there is as well no neighbor because we have here the cupboard, which is blocking the views to the next apartment. View-wise, what can I say? This is just breathtaking. Having breakfast here, lunch, dinner, maybe a cup of tea or maybe a G&T when the sun is going down. This could be a place this place could be yours, honestly. So, talking about conditions. This property was on the market until today at 75,000 euros, and also taken the occasion today, the sellers have decided to give us the opportunity to offer this property today at 69,900. So quite a massive price reduction. On our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you do find this apartment under the reference 3553. Asking price, as said, was 75, now 69,900. What comes included? Everything we see on our video, all the furnishing, all interiors, it all comes included, even the television. Talking about television, you maybe know already that on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort we have a glass fiber net which connects all dwellings and provides on the one side a 100 megabit down and upload line for the internet, but it provides as well over 250 channels, TV channels. As always, the TV is not included in the community fees, but the use of the 250 channels is included as well as the internet. You will say, well, but this can't be for free. Well, you know, as always, there are community fees to be covered. Community fees are risen for all services provided by the community of owners. So in this case on the island, but also on the other side, on either the gardens or naranjos or penthouses, it's the community which is taking care of security, entrance checks, cleaning, pools, gardening, upkeep of infrastructure. So there are quite a lot of things which need to be provided by the community, and all this comes with a cost. So in this case, for example, this apartment pays some 125 euros a month as community fees. which includes obviously the use of internet, the use of TV channels, and all services provided by the community of owners. We are today in block 10 of the island, Isla, and I'm just leaving the apartment now to show you the car park, because each apartment on the island has included a car park. And lucky me, the gardeners over there are just doing their work, so I hope you can hear me. The car park for this property, we are in 12C, is just over there beside the walkway. So as you see, it's 102C, which means we're on the second floor, apartment C, and this would be your car park. Instead, you decide to buy this property. So, going back into the apartment, this again, when we enter the apartment to our right-hand side, we have the kitchen. Continuing, we come to the dining area and the living area, and we continue to the terrace, and then we should not continue because then we might jump over the terrace and maybe meet the neighbors on the first floor. We shouldn't do that. Thank you very much, Lynn, for your comment. From 10:30 the sundown all day. Yes, this is correct. The sun here starts pretty early, I would say 10-ish, 11-ish, depends, and then until it goes down. We are southwest facing, means that the sun goes down somewhere over there, and it goes up obviously opposite 180 degrees. The sun shines in Spain, well, in our area, about 320 days a year, so yes, we will have enough sunshine. In winter, it's obviously a little bit later, and also as the sun goes down earlier, you might catch a little bit less on sun, but still, as the sun is lower, you will get it even more inside your property as well. So this is really helpful as well at the same time. As we said, it's reference 3553 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. The asking price has been reduced from 75,000 to 69,900. I don't think there is any more room for offers. I don't know exactly, but it looks like that we are nearly at the limit, as the sellers need also to clear a mortgage here, so this is maybe the limit for that. So kitchen-wise, as we said, we are fully equipped with fridge, with cooker, oven extractor fan, with dishwasher and all other mod cons. In addition, they have placed here as well an additional storage unit, which is always handy, and this also provides maybe more storage space. We have found something, this must be an African thing here. I don't know if I'm allowed to show it. Let me see. This is something very special. This is African artwork. Oops. Okay. No, we rather put it down again. Okay. Yeah, it's part of the inventory of the property. So for those people who enjoy these things, happy days, it comes with the property. We are coming to the master bedroom again. 2-bed, 1-bathroom on Isla, block 10, second floor, asking only 69,900 for a 2-bed, 1-bathroom, fully fitted wardrobes, air conditioning, furnished as we see, and what we see is what we get in this case. I think it's a good start, and the price 69,900 is to me, I shouldn't say below market value, but we are nearly below market value. I would set the market value about 72, maybe 73, but it's always down to the owners, to their personal circumstances, that they maybe decide to go slightly below, just to be on the safe side and maybe also achieve a sale pretty quickly. We are in the second bedroom at the moment. Just turning around here again with fully air conditioning, with also fitted wardrobes, and as well we see here our listing agent hiding somewhere. Hi Anna.
Yeah, it's hard to find a spot to hide now. That's a little bit cool.
Exactly. So we're actually more hiding inside, because inside we have turned on the air conditioning. As we said, it's 31 degrees today outside. It's slightly humid today, so it feels even maybe a little bit warmer even. But otherwise it's a fantastic day. It started a little bit cloudy, but during the day it has improved dramatically, and we are now enjoying again full sunshine and blue skies. Yes, another day in paradise, no doubt. It is a dream location, and Condado as well is a dream location, I have to confess. dining area, as well as kitchen again. Reference 3553 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. In case you're actually on site, why not pop into our office and have a chat or a coffee with us? We are always happy to have people in the office. Maybe we find a solution for your property dream as well here in Spain. Don't hesitate, just pop in. We have Marcello waiting for you, we have Julie waiting for you, we have Anna waiting for you, and obviously Rupert as well. So there are 4 people actually attending you, and I couldn't say who is the most expert, because we are all here already a long time, so we know what we are talking about. We also know the pitfalls here, so it's always worth having a chat, and we are happy to see you in our office on the Alcazar Commercial Center. We are between, we are between the Sky Bar and the Clover Pub. Okay, having said that, excuse me, just swallowed a frog. That wants to come out again. Nope. Have a quick look again at the bathroom. Not at the agent, there we go. Bathtub, as we said, glass shower screen. As well, there is an extractor fan, which really makes fun because it's always distracting my noise system here. So that's very good. Tariq, we might have even a cappuccino. Yes, shouldn't be a problem. Shouldn't be a problem. We definitely have Italian coffee for you, so I'm sure we can also make a cappuccino for you. No problem at all. Looking forward to see you in our office, Tariq. Okay, back into the master bedroom. Reference 3553 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Asking price 69,900 instead of 75. So there's been a massive reduction. Ready to move? Yes. Never rented out? Yes. Always used as a private residence? Yes. So I think it can hardly get better. There we go, the island. Okay. Well then, I think this was the show for today. It's a beautiful apartment, Anna. Thank you very much. Do we know already where we go next week, or do we keep it? Oops, this mirror thing here is not fun. Yeah,
We have a double situation.
this is a double trouble situation. Yeah.
Next week we will be looking at something very nice in Los Naranjos. We will be looking at a nice 2-bedroom corner unit.
Okay.
Very, very interesting, yeah?
Okay, that's good. That's good. So a corner location on Naranjos. We don't say yet which garden it is, no? We keep this to us.
No, that would be too much.
Yeah, this would be too
That would
much,
take
yeah.
away the fun, wouldn't it?
Okay.
No, really looking forward to next one.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going to be sweating, but it's going to be worth it.
Yes. Okie doke. So this was it. Again, Rupert in the mirror. This is a disaster here. Thank you very much for staying with me today. I'm looking forward to see you again next week. And in case you like our show, just give us a like on Facebook, or even more, in case you want to share it, then just share it. Would be great. And I'm really looking forward to see you again and next week, Thursday, 5 o'clock. See you soon. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Cheers.